Hey tea heads, this is Don from Mayleaf. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a matcha affogato. For those of you who don't know, affogato is a classic Italian dessert combining usually vanilla gelato with an espresso shot. So you pour hot espresso over a vanilla gelato and it melts and it becomes luxurious and lovely. But I thought, why not give it a modern and slightly Asian twist by doing a matcha affogato. So today I'm going to show you two styles of affogato, one of them using our ceremonial top grade matcha and the other one for that extra special treat. We're pulling out one of the best matchas in the world, 100% Uji Hikari Matcha, and we're going to be doing a second kind of affogato with that one. Let's get going. First things first is the ceremonial matcha. Now we're going to take 4 of these chashakus, which equates to about 2 teaspoons. We're going to be making a koicha here. If you haven't seen our video on how to make matcha, then go check that out. I'll put a link in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. So that's 4 chashakus, which is 2 teaspoons. So now we're using 70-degree water. I'm just going to put a little bit in. We're going to be using a total amount of 40 milliliters. 40 milliliters. So 10 milliliters per chashaku is good. We want to make a nice thick paste. Look how thick that is in there. So the rest goes in. We just pre-whisk a little bit beforehand to make sure we don't get any lumps. The object with koicha is not to make too many bubbles. We're just trying to combine it, make sure we're getting this lovely, smooth, warm liquid, which is going to be velvety over that gorgeous ice cream. Right, let's get the ice cream out. Super simple to serve, a nice generous dollop of ice cream here. We're using vanilla ice cream, organic vanilla ice cream. You can use gelato if you'd like. And then pour over the top this green goodness. Oh, and as it melts and marbles, you're going to get a gorgeous concoction. Let's give this a try. Get in there quick before it all melts. The beautiful thing about 70-degree water is it's not going to melt too quickly. Oh, so fresh, so green. So that lovely biting astringency of the matcha plays perfectly against the soft, voluptuous ice cream. It is a winning combination. Now, let's make that extra special one with an Uji Hikari Matcha. Let's unveil this super precious 100% Uji Hikari. Look at the vibrant green color. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do 4 chashakus into this matcha bowl. We're going to go all ceremonial on this one. There we go. And now we're going to put even less water. So a very, very thick koicha. We're going to put 20 to 30 ml. I'm just going to put a drop in here. Give it a quick stir to try and dissolve any lumps. And once it's dissolved, we can pour the rest in. We want it nice and thick because this is going to be sitting at the bottom of a plate. Ooh, look at that. That looks nice. That looks perfect to me. Right, let's get our plate ready for serving. Here we go, a nice white plate. A bit of a fancy design, but oh, look at that. So nice, thick. Now remember, this is cold, extra thick koicha. We're just gonna run that around the plate so that it coats that inner circle, vibrant green. Look at that beautiful slick of green. Now we're just going to put some hickory nuts in the middle here. Hickory nuts, you can use any kind of nut. Pecan would work very well. And that's just going to hold the ice cream in place a little bit. Here comes our ice cream, a nice dollop of ice cream right in the middle. And then a little dusting of hickory nuts on top. So this is a more fancy version, high-end restaurant version of an affogato using Uji Hikari Matcha I would be super happy if I was presented with this dessert. Look at that beautiful, thick, extra thick koicha. The wonderful thing about this is you can get as much matcha or as little as you want with every bite. The flavor of that matcha is so creamy. It's got that little bit of umami which seasons that light vanilla ice cream. The color on the plate is incredible. Look, you can do a nice little bit of draping yourself if you want. This is definitely the more customizable affogato. You can really get a nice strong, let's get a nice big thick spoonful of matcha. Really lovely. You get that slightly vegetal, a little bit of that green grassy flavor. Couples perfectly with this vanilla ice cream. It is the perfect combination. Fabulous. So that's the 100% Uji Hikari version of an affogato. Oh, both of these desserts are delicious. Please try them out yourself. They will wow your guests and they can be made in a snap. Super, super simple. All you need is water, matcha and ice cream. But when you have recipes this simple, the quality of the ingredients shine out. So make sure you get yourself high grade matcha tea. Let us know if you try these recipes and let us know other ways that you use matcha in your cooking. That's it, tea heads. If you made it to the end of this video, then make sure you hit it with a like. Follow us on all of our socials so you don't miss out on news and videos from Mayleaf HQ. If you're ever in London, then come visit us in Camden to say hi and taste our wares. If you have any questions, comments, or video ideas, then please fire them over. Other than that, I'm Don from Mayleaf. Thank you for being a part of the revelation of true tea. Stay away from those tea bags. Keep drinking and eating the good stuff and spread the word because nobody deserves bad tea. Bye.